Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Right, yes,
Can you
yes,
speak English or can you understand English?
yes,
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
yes, 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I have friend in Malaysia.
Do you know which place they were designated?
Malaysia, I think, I not tell, but they are working at Malaysia.
Okay.
Three of my friends.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes,
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
yes, I'm Lenny Nasal Rosales I live in Maya, Bulacan. I'm a single mom. I have two kids, one boy, 17-year-old, and a girl is 11 years old. Uh, I have, I'm a single mom, and then
Okay. Okay, Ate, I need to know some few more details from you. How old are you?
I'm 40.
40 years old. You are a single mother, right?
Yes, yes.
Can you repeat again how old are those children? You mentioned that you got two children.
I have one boy, 17-year-old, and 11-year-old girl.
11 years old and
17-year-old boy.
17.
Yes.
Okay. So, when is your birthday?
My birthday is August 24, 1984.
August?
August 24, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2", my height. My weight is 558 lbs.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, you mentioned that you got two children and you are a single mother. So, who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here?
So my parents, my father, and my sister
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
allowed me.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have five brother and we have two sister.
Okay, what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Sorry.
Okay, what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the
I'm
second, the
the
third?
one in the girl.
You are the third. Okay. So, what about your parents' occupation and how old is your parents?
My father is 64-year-old. He have a business lechon.
Okay.
Lechon
Okay. So,
ready.
what comes into your mind that you wanted to work here as a domestic helper? You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? Why do you want to
Yes.
come? Why do you want to come here to work as a domestic helper?
Because of my kids, for the future of my kids.
Okay, so do you know how hard being an OFW?
Yes.
You need to embrace the struggles. You need to endure the pain. You need to work
Yes.
harder. You need to sleep very late at night. That's an OFW. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes. Ready.
Do you have any experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, I have experience.
In which place?
And now in my place, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Bulacan. Okay, how many years you work there?
5 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working to your previous employment?
2019, and since 2019, I finished at 2023.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employer?
I take care of two childs. I cooking, I
Okay.
wash clothes, I clean the house,
You iron? Did you iron?
I iron also.
How old is the two children that you take care?
The eldest one is 9-year-old and the youngest one is 7-year-old.
Okay. So you know that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking.
Yes.
And you also mentioned and you told me that you are ready whatever
Yes, I'm ready.
task that the employer will be given to you. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can you take care baby?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes.
Are you afraid of any dogs or cats?
No.
Okay, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone during working time?
Yes, I'm aware.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, I'm okay with that.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yes, because we don't force people to come here. It's you are the one who come to work here in Malaysia and we don't force people and we don't force you to come and work here. So you must know what will be the consequences once you
Yes.
breach your contract. You know that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
being
ready.
an OFW is you need to strive harder as I mentioned many times already. This is not the Philippines. In Philippines we can do whatever we want, but in other countries no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations and their culture, okay?
Yes.
Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness later, knowing that you will working quite far away from your family as this is your first time working abroad also?
Yes, sorry.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness?
Maybe I focus on my work.
Okay? Okay. So, always ask permission once you are already inside the employer's house. Any
Yes.
concerns, any problems, you inform your employer directly because you are the one who are working inside the premises for 2 years. Okay?
Yes.
What
I
will you
follow.
do? Okay, I give you a scenario or a situation. What will you do if the employer is angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I just quiet.
You will just quiet. So you will not answer back your employer, is it?
Just quiet.
Just quiet only.
Yes.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. But always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. So there is no rule for those who are quitter here. So you allow yourself to come and work abroad because you wanted more for your children and what more for your own selves also because you are a single mother and you don't have someone to rely on. So always be hardworking, respect the employer, have some initiative, be honest all the time also, okay?
Thank you po.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Welcome.
Thank you.